It's loud out there. I'm not. Yeah. 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 I'm not. Everybody rushing, everybody reacting, everybody got an opinion and a deadline and a problem they want me to carry. Phones buzzing, voices overlapping, urgency dressed up like importance. But I don't match the volume, I don't inherit the chaos, I don't let the room decide how fast my heart beats. Pause. Not today. I learned the difference between awareness and absorption. Just because I see it doesn't mean I take it in. I keep my breath low, my shoulders soft, my mind where my feet are. I listen without bracing, I respond without rushing. Everything around me can be on fire, and I'll still move like water. I stay quiet in the noise, not invisible. Intentional. I don't compete with sirens, I don't argue with stress. I let people spin while I stay steady. I've been loud before, I know where that leads. Now I choose composure over being seen. Calm is not weakness, stillness is not surrender. This peace was practiced, call out soft, yeah. I'm here. Yeah. When pressure tries to rush me, I slow down. When confusion fills the room, I get clear. I don't explain my pace, I don't apologize for it. My nervous system knows the way home and I follow it. I stay quiet in the noise, heart anchored, mind spacious. I don't raise my voice to prove my presence. I let my calm do the talking. Nothing pulls me off center, nothing needs my panic. I am not required to match dysfunction. I'm allowed to be regulated in unregulated spaces. That's growth, that's power. So let it be loud, let it be messy, let it be fast. I'll be right here, breathing clear.